Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis of various stocks market of the world and also Forex. And I also upload important market related information. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional fancy setup. I'm just doing this from the comfort of my home. So without any delay, let's get started. So right now I have this chart of Anglo-American. So what can you see on the screen? The screen you can see that I'm using a candlestick chart and I'm just using a single indicator, and that is stochastic RSI, and we will try to analyze the market with the help of support and resistance. That's it. We all know that if you know if you know technical analysis, or if you have a good grip over technical analysis, then you can trade on any market of the world. So let's uh, let's try to analyze the market today. Okay. So there is a good resistance at 2728. You can see on the screen that 2728 there is a resistance. So right now it is trading at 2663. Okay, so if the market moves up or goes up, then very likely it will come down or it will show some reversal sign, because if there is not much steam on it. If there is a breakout, then it's a different chapter. Or if there is a if just try to analyze the market, just try to understand the psychology by looking at the size of the candles and all. If the volume is not proper, and if you see that there is not much movement after reaching the level of 2728, then usually you can short the market after getting the confirmation of candlestick or your own choice of indicator. And so the second stock that we have is Rio Tinto. Okay, you can see that again in Rio Tinto chart there is a resistance at 5972. I have already drawn this operation just to cut down the timing. Okay, so there is a resistance at 5972, and there is a support at 5819. So, and what do we need to do? If the market goes up and reaches the 5972 level, and if it shows some sign of weakness, then we can short the market. And if it goes down and reaches the level of 5819, and if it bounces from there, then you can easily go long. That's it. And the next stock is Glen. Glencore. Okay, in Glencore there is not much support. You can see. Hmm. There, how we can consider this as support. Okay, this is acting as support, but okay, sorry, I forgot to mark. Yeah, sorry, mistakes do happen. There is a support line. There is a support at 267.6550. Let's consider it as a round figure. There's a resistance, sorry, resistance at 275.25 and support at 267.50. Therefore, so it is very clear, if it goes down and if there is no breakout downside, and you can easily go long. Your target will be 272. Okay, your initial target will be 272, and if it breaks the level of 272, then you can go long for the target of 275. And if it goes up also, then be careful at the level of 275.25, because there is a resistance, and if there is not much pressure from the bulls, and if the steam is missing, then yes, you can short the market and you can go long if you see some reversal at the 267.50 level. Next stock we have is PLND. Okay, I have a huge long list of stocks, but I hardly get time to filter out stocks, so please don't mind. I have just 8 stocks today in front of me right now. And see, I'm analyzing 8 stocks. You don't need to trade on 7 8, so you just need a single stock or two. So you just need a single trade, or max to max two trades a day. That will make your day or your week. Okay. So we have the British Land Company in front of us, and you can see that British Land Company, the it has a good resistance at 471.3, and there is not much support good support that we can locate on the chart. There is a support here at 434, but 434 level, but I'm not marking it right now. Uh, right now, this is under a consolidation period. So if there is a if you see a breakout today towards the upside, and if it reaches this particular 471.3 level, and just be careful. And if you see some rejection from above, then you can short the market. But confirmation is important. Don't just keep in mind that resistance mean that if you see a resistance or if you spot a resistance, that doesn't mean that you can easily go. You can easily short the market. That's not it. You just need to understand the psychology of the market. You just need to understand. Okay, so it is very important to get the confirmation with the help of candlestick pattern or indicator of your own choice. I just use stochastic RSI. Okay, you can also use stochastic RSI. It's up to you. So the next stock we have is SMDS. uh, in SMDS, there is a resistance. Sorry, I forgot to mark the resistance. Right now it is trading at 381, 381.9, and resistance at 387.8. So you know the drill. If it reaches the resistance, just be careful, pull up your socks and get ready for some action. If there is a breakout from that level, you can go long. Yes, you can go long according to your own strategy. Everyone has a strategy. Okay. And if it shows some reversal, then yes, you can short the market. And if it goes down also, there is a good support available at 356.8. Okay, so if it comes down today or next week, you can go long at this level if it shows some reversal sign. Then we have SKG. Smurfit Kappa Group. Smurfit Kappa Group has a support at 3466. It comes down, grab it at 3466 with the confirmation. Do not forget. So then SKG. Sorry, SKG is done. Okay, then GMAT. I'm running out of time. I need to wrap up this video within 10 minutes. That's why I'm looking at the time. Okay, JMAT, Johnson Matthey. Johnson Matthey has a support at 2870. Right now it is trading at 2959. So there's quite a difference, but still we never know. There might be a sharp fall today or in the next week, and just grab it at 2870 if you get the confirmation only. Still, you just need to warm up by this level 2870. Then we have G. Where is NG? National Grid. National Grid. Okay, see that you can grab the National Grid at 842.8 level. Right now it is trading at this particular zone. Okay, so 842, 840 at 842.8 it has a good support. So yes, it's a thumbs up. And if you're long, or if you're already in a trade, or if you're planning to take trade, or if you will take trade, whatever, your first target will be 870.6, and if it reaches the first target, then your next target will be 880, and then your ultimate target will be 895. So that's it for the day. Okay, and if you've liked the video and found it informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe.